Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Kraken account to CoinStats. Start by opening the CoinStats app and tapping the plus icon in the center of the screen. After that, select Connect Portfolio, then choose the first option to connect a portfolio. You'll be taken to a list of available integrations. Use the search bar to find Kraken. You'll see a few choices, including Kraken Wallet, Kraken Futures, and the standard Kraken option. Select the main Kraken option at the top. From here, you can connect in two ways. The first option is to scan a QR code. When you tap this option, CoinStats will enable your camera, so you can scan the QR code provided by Kraken. The second option is to connect manually by logging into your Kraken account, clicking your profile icon, going to Settings, then Connections and API, and following the steps shown. Once completed, your Kraken account will be added to CoinStats. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru, and I'll see you in the next video.